Take a ride in the 2018 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.